What is up, Space Cadets? It is Warrior 12, aka the Phantom Slayer, and who is this handsome devil right here? Oh, that's me, Commander Shepard, in my natural form. Yes, and this is my room. Check it out. Yeah, got all the little spaceship trophies, collection of things here, and I love fish. I would love to have an aquarium like this. And that is what is so amazing about this game right here. I know this is a little off topic, but you know, you can make create a player that looks almost just identical. I mean, this guy looks almost as close to me as I could get him. So that is so cool. And then you have this, your captain's quarters, which feels like home. I mean, this game. Look, there's my chessboard I got with Arya Tilo defeating the that crazy dude on Omega. And I have a bed right there to lay Liara and romance, put the smack of pimp down on whoever I'd like to. That's what I love about this game. And I think that's what everybody loves about it. And it's 2020 and I'm still playing it and I'm still loving it. It's just crazy because this game is as close to virtual reality as it gets without actually playing virtual trying to get this word out. Virtual reality without using virtual reality accessories. There we go. Got it out. Spit it out. There it is. You got a collection of Harbinger, the Normandy, you know, all these, the Dreadnought, the Citadel, all these cool things, man. I mean, this game is just awesome. You got your laptop computers. You got two of them. I have a medal over there. I have almost every medal in the game except for the two where I have to beat it on Insanity with two different characters. I beat it on Insanity a few times, but with the same character. That is the problem. You have to beat it with two different imports, I believe. Okay, so that is what I'm doing here. And most important of this video is I'm going to show you the Phantom Slayer Supernova Guard build. Alright, now first things first, you got to have a cool guy like him, and you have to go get this armor right here. And I'll tell you where and how to get it. This is the Cerberus Spirit armor, and it's got a little shield boost, a little shield regeneration, and most important, it has power damage and power recharge. Not only that, it just looks cool as fuck. It is the coolest looking gear you can get in this game, I believe. That's just my opinion, but I don't care. It is the coolest. It just is. That's not an opinion, that's a fact. That is similar to what Kai Lang wears, and the infamous N7 Slayer. Yes, the Phantom Slayer. So yes, this is the Phantom Slayer, Commander Shepard. And with the Nova Guard build, this uniform, this armor set is just spectacular because of the power damage, the recharge, and the little shield boost I really don't need, or the reshield generation, and I'm going to show you why. This is a crazy build. I've never seen anybody else do it, and I don't know why. Everybody just goes with the generic orthodox way of doing things, but I typically like to experiment and try out different things. So I'm going to go over with you the Nova Guard build. Now that I have my Cerberus Spirit armor on, I'm going to save, and I am going to show you this awesome build. Okay, go to squad. As you may know, oh, there's me, the handsome guy. Yes. In the flesh. Well, in the electronic flesh. Anyways, I'll go all incendiary ammo, which is mostly what I'm going to be using to prime enemies. You know, you get all these points, so yes, I have all these other things. I probably won't be, I haven't used really cryo ammo, haven't really used pool, and I do not use biotic charge. That's where you're going to say, oh, you're a Vanguard and you don't use it? And I'm going to tell you why. Because it is super fun without it, and I hate the biotic charge in the campaign. I love it in multiplayer. I do not like it in this game. I loved it in Mass Effect 2. I hate it in the campaign in Mass Effect 3. Now, here is my primary powers that I have on the wheel, on the power wheel. Shockwave, Nova, and Defense Matrix. Okay. Now I will show you how I have Nova. It's very similar to how you would have it in multiplayer. Okay, first these three, you have to have them. I would like to go impact radius, but I want force damage. Either one I believe is good. but I choose force and damage to get at that. You see where my force damage is over there in the bottom right hand corner? That is what I want. Staggering phantoms, staggering enemies. So that's why I went force and damage. Okay. Power recharge. Do not need this. Do not need this. Okay. You need the half blast. Okay. That way you won't deplete all your shields with you know, doing this. Okay. So don't always go this. Even in multiplayer, I suggest it. Highly recommend it. Okay. Now sustain. This one right here I'm a little skeptical of. Okay, 25% chance of not using up barriers, which is cool. But this one here, I have to go with Pierce because of the barrier shields and armors targets 100% more damage. That is just, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not skeptical of this. I would not be using this. This is the way to go. Pierce, go with Pierce, guys. Okay. Now assault mastery. Another important thing, okay? Right here, you want to go force bonus, okay? And I go reputation. Maybe you could go here, power damage, but I prefer this. That way I can get that over 1,000, I want to say newtons of force, but I don't think it's newton. I don't know what the N stands for. Me and my friend Acrobat Matt had discussion over newtons, and it just didn't make sense the way the guys were flying off the map. Anyways, next, you want weight capacity, okay? Because you want to be able to carry some of the weapons that I'm going to show you, okay? You don't need this. You need this. And you need this. Power damage. Really, the duration, and it's really not the duration, but the force, because I'm not going to be using DLT powers, okay? Shotgun damage would be nice, but you have to do this, okay? My power damage bonus is 35%, and that's what you need. And my weight capacity bonus is at 70, so that is what you need. Fitness. Okay. Now, just go all health shields right here. I actually could have went here. I actually could have went a melee build with them. This is insanity. I did not. However, I would like to, because this build is also great for melee. It is a great melee build because after Unova, you can throw a heavy melee with this character, and it is excellent. It's just that right now I have to do it like this because it's on insanity. Okay, so I don't want to get dropped like a bee, you know, like getting hit by a fly swatter, fucking whatever, you know. So, anyways, guys, this is the way I went. Or if you're good enough, go ahead and go with these two. I believe I started the game off like this, or I did try it. It was fun. I just didn't use the melee enough because of the enemies that I'm facing. Too many armored enemies. So I went this way. However, if I went down a notch, I would do a melee build, okay? Defense matrix, this is very important. This is the special power that I have to go to Dr. Chakras or the other Dr. Adams, or I believe that's her name, to get this power in the medic bay. Okay, you have to get this to make this build work. Okay, defense matrix, if you play multiplayer, it is not the same as it is on the campaign. Okay guys, this thing is actually like a shield boost. It does not take grenades. It has a recharge speed, which is very quick. Okay, and you want shield bonus. Okay, you want shield restoration. That way you get your barriers back. That way you can Nova. I mean, you can spam the shit out of Nova with this. This is why I bring this. You'll see. And you want shield recharge. Okay. Power synergy, increase tech damage. No, you don't need that. You want shield recharge, okay? You want to recharge as quick as you can. Decrease your recharge shield delay, because if you're doing Nova, doing that, you know, you're not using a lot of tech power. So yeah, just go that route. I mean, these two, it's really not the biggest, it's not the most important thing about this. This is the shield bonus and the power recharge. Durability. Now, I was kind of skeptic about this too. I've tried both. Both work very good. Power recharge is you get 30%, the 30% penalty, which is good, gives you a faster recharge. But also this protection I thought was pretty good at 25% damage reduction. It wasn't, the time recharge is not that big of a difference if you're carrying light weapons, okay? But be warned, it's all about how you play this character, and it takes a little bit of time to get used to, but once you get used to it, it is just spectacular. So I go with power recharge. That way I can make sure I do have my repair matrix. I can shield boost whenever I needed to after I Nova, because I just play it like that. I would like to do this. Like I said, you can experiment both with both of them however you want to. They're both pretty damn good. I'll give you I'll give it that. The damage protection is great, but I just go this route because I like to do it quick, faster. Okay. Now that that's done, it is time to get on with part 2 of this video, which I will be going to the Kronos base to destroy Kai Lang, who killed my drill friend and hurt my girlfriend's feelings. So alright guys, be ready for part 2, the Supernova Phantom Slayer build. And I'm going to show it to you in action. Watch it. Be ready. Here we go.